Cable jacket fire wrap is a product that addresses the problem of non-plenum rated cables in environmental airspaces. This product provides a solution for bringing existing cables into compliance with fire safety codes when a space above a suspended ceiling is repurposed for air handling. The cable jacket fire wrap consists of a flexible, intumescent material. Intumescent means that it expands when exposed to heat. The fire wrap is applied directly around the cable jacket. This application creates a physical barrier between the cable and the surrounding air within the environmental airspace. The primary function of the cable jacket fire wrap is to prevent the spread of flames and the release of toxic fumes and smoke in the event of a fire. When exposed to heat, the intumescent material expands significantly. This expansion forms a protective shield around the cable. The shield acts as an insulator, delaying the ignition of the cable and preventing the propagation of fire along the cable length. The expanded material also helps to contain the fumes and smoke generated by the burning cable, reducing the risk of toxic exposure and improving visibility for evacuation. Compliance with relevant fire safety codes and standards is a critical consideration when using cable jacket fire wrap. It is essential to verify that the specific fire wrap product being used meets the requirements of the applicable building codes and regulations. These codes often specify the types of cables that are permitted in environmental airspaces and the fire resistance ratings that are required for those cables. The fire wrap must be tested and certified to meet these standards to ensure its effectiveness in a fire situation. Proper installation of the cable jacket fire wrap is essential for ensuring its performance. Fire wrap must be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. These instructions typically involve wrapping the fire wrap material tightly around the cable jacket, overlapping the edges to create a continuous, sealed barrier. It is important to ensure that the fire wrap is properly adhered to the cable jacket and that there are no gaps or openings that could compromise its fire protection capabilities. Regular inspection of the cable jacket fire wrap is necessary to ensure that it remains intact and free from damage. Over time, the fire wrap can be subject to wear and tear, especially in areas where cables are frequently moved or disturbed. Inspections should be conducted periodically to identify any signs of damage, such as cracks, tears, or delamination. Damaged fire wrap should be repaired or replaced promptly to maintain its fire protection effectiveness. The use of cable jacket fire wrap offers several benefits. Firstly, it allows existing non-plenum rated cables to be used in environmental airspaces, avoiding the need for costly and disruptive cable replacement. Secondly, it provides a fire-resistant barrier that helps to prevent the spread of flames and smoke, improving the safety of the building occupants. Thirdly, it protects sensitive cables from damage during a fire, ensuring the continued operation of critical systems. Fourthly, it helps to maintain the integrity of the building's fire safety systems by preventing the release of toxic fumes and smoke that could interfere with fire detection and suppression systems. In summary, cable jacket fire wrap is a valuable tool for bringing non-plenum rated cables into compliance with fire safety codes in environmental airspaces. By providing a fire-resistant barrier, it helps to protect people, property, and critical systems from the hazards of fire.